Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update firmware on DeWalt Power Station EV adapter, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your DeWalt Power Station EV adapter is fully charged. Locate the user manual that came with your device. If you don't have the manual, visit the DeWalt website for a digital copy. Connect your EV adapter to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure your computer has the latest firmware update software available. Launch the firmware update software on your computer. Check that your power station is recognized by the software. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to install any necessary drivers. Once the software recognizes the device, navigate to the firmware update section. Download the latest firmware version from the DeWalt website. Once downloaded, return to the update software. Select the downloaded firmware file to upload it to the adapter. Follow the prompts to initiate the update process. Monitor the progress bar as the firmware updates. Do not disconnect the device during the update. Upon completion, you will see a confirmation message in the software. Safely eject the EV adapter from your computer using the appropriate method. Disconnect the USB cable from both the power station and the computer. Restart your DeWalt Power Station EV adapter. Confirm that the firmware has been updated by checking the version number in the settings. Your DeWalt Power Station EV adapter is now ready for use with the latest software improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.